All right, guys, today is the day. I've been wearing this iRestore Professional helmet every other day for 25 minutes for the past year. And today I'm going to show you the results. So let me give you a little sneak peek of what my hair currently looks like. So here is what my hair currently looks like. Just a quick sneak peek. I have some footage of what my hair looked like before versus what it looks like now. And actually a couple days ago, my hair was a little bit longer than this. I felt pretty good about it. I let it grow out and I liked the way that it looked, but it was hard to get a good gauge on how my hair's improved over these last 12 months. So I cut my hair. I tried to get it apples to apples, so when you guys see the footage, you can be able to get a good comparison. And I'm curious to know what you guys think. I just want to show you the footage and I want you guys to decide. I'm not going to try to persuade you one way or another. I just want to know, do you think it's made a difference? So here's the footage of my hair before and my hair now. So hopefully that was a good comparison and it was apples to apples so you guys could get a good gauge on how my hair has done over this 12-month period. Again, let me know below. I'm really curious to find out what everybody thinks about this. I'm going to tell you this. I've been wearing this for 12 months and I've noticed that the shedding in my hair has stopped substantially. I used to, before, I would just run my hands through my hair and I would pull out like 10, 15 hairs at a time. It was just insane. But since I've been wearing this, that has really dropped. I barely have any hair shedding. So at the very least, I think that this device has definitely slowed down the process of me balding. You know, wearing it every other day for 25 minutes really hasn't been a big deal. I know some people think that that's a lot of commitment, but most of the time I'm watching TV, I have this battery pack on it, so I don't have to even have it on an outlet. I just put it on my belt, I walk around the house, and it's super easy to wear. It's just become one of those things that I just do all the time now, usually right before bed. After I take a shower, I get my hair all clean. I do use the iRestore shampoo, and I love that stuff. One bottle of that thing will last you about 6 months, but it's very good. It does a terrific job, and I think that it also helps to preserve your hair as well. So I'm going to put the link below to this device if you're interested in it. And just as a quick disclosure, I did sign up for their affiliate. If you do buy this product and you use my link, I'll get a small commission from it. Also, I know that they got some good sales coming up here on Black Friday and during the holidays. So if you're interested, be on the lookout for that because I know that they got some good sales that are about to happen. All right, guys, I hope this was a very fair and a very honest comparison so you guys can get a really good gauge on what the iRestore Professional can do for your hair. And also, if you have any questions about this, I mean, like I said, I've used it for a full year. I'm very well versed on it. Drop me a comment below. I'll do my best to answer it for you. That's all I have for you today, guys. I'll see you in the next one.